Daddy, can you help me open this? That's good Play-Doh. This is good Play-Doh. Poo! That's like poo. Oh, that.
What are you making?
Pizza bites.
Pizza bites for your zoo animals?
Daddy elephant, don't go on the pizza bites. Daddy, the zoo animals are helping making different changes.
That sounds fun. What's that?
Camel.
What are these green pieces going to be?
Pizza bites.
Pizza bites? I'm a little confused. What's a pizza bite?
Pizza bites are little bites what looks like our pizza.
Well, that is self-explanatory. What are you going to do with the pizza bite?
I'm going to feed them to my animals.
You're going to feed pizza bites to your animals? Okay.
Night night elephant. Night night tiger. Night night camel. Night night gorilla.
It's funny. Now what are you doing?
Now put them in the first colors and now I'm cutting them out. Daddy, they like different things, so I'm making them different things. They might like same things. Like stripes on his. Poke, poke. Stripe. He likes poking and stripes. He likes stars. He's like elephant trunks. there. And Daddy, they're all done. It's like a good Ow, girly smash. Camel getting up. Don't go so hard, Grandma. My back hurts. I'm staying in bed. I'm staying in bed. Daddy.
Poor little tiger.
I'm dead.
Poor elephant.
Yeah! I'm not dead anymore. Ouch. Don't be so rough. I am. Night night. Yeah, night night. Are you serious? It's not bedtime. I don't care, you. You ready to watch?
Your back hurts?
No, the tiger.
Oh, the tiger back. Okay. Like you're a little too young to have a back that hurts.
I'm just being silly, Daddy.
All right, that's good. Silly's fun. Do you need some more Play-Doh for your animals?
He's sick his face. Yeah, I need some more Play-Doh. Daddy, that one's gonna be the snakies.
You're right. That one's kind of crusty. What about some brand new Play-Doh?
Yummy! He fixed it so done. But I'm making him. He's gonna eat it.
That's fine. Let's put him over here so that all the kids can see.
No, is that going to be his bed?
Sure, if you want it to be.
I'm squashing his bed into a circle.
Squish.
Squash. Daddy, I need to roll him out.
There's a roller right there in front of you, the orange thing.
This is nice and purple. The cat.
Yep. Fuzzy thing on the microphone is called a dead cat.
Dead cat.
What are you making now?
I'm making a snake's bed.
Okay.
Still a little bit longer. A little bit longer. And that is perfect.
Perfect for Mr. Snake.
He fits his whole body. He's like looking at the floor. I need to go head first. I need to go head first. At night. I need to go to bed. The only one who's doing head first is the gorilla. I'm walking on head. I fell in the water. I'm going in the water. Yeah, I'm in the pool. Snake. Snake.
What do you have there?
I changed it to a panda. Okay. I'm making you a fence because you're not going wild when you get out of your bed. It's wake up time, Daddy. And the snake is trapped. I'm trapping you, snake. Daddy, he like little dots on his. He likes spots. It's wake up time. I'm giving up. I'm giving up. I'm stuck. I'm giving up. I'm giving up. I'm giving up, but I'm trapped. I can still get it. Beep. That's better. Now I can sleep. Shh. Head first. Head first. Head first. Head first.
Can we build something using all our trees for all of our animals?
Yeah, Daddy. Stick her head out. Stick her head out. Daddy, they're switching. Daddy, they're switching up their mats. Daddy, ta-da!
That looks pretty awesome.
Now they have their own mats.
I think this one needs a tree.
Yeah, they need trees. Daddy, let's take him for a big tree.
Tigers are kind of, yeah, they need some trees.
Please stay. Tree, please stay. Please stay. Daddy, I want a tree like that. I found one.
I think we have one more little one too.
Oh. My big tree fell down. Elephant needs a tree too. And a camel.
I don't know why, but I want to put the giraffe with the camel. Here.
He can just swim in the water.
I don't think giraffes swim.
But he can swim, Dad. I'm stuck. Daddy, the gorilla's stuck.
It happens.
Get out. I'm stuck. I'm not stuck. I can get out. Ouch. got out. I'm getting you. Yeah! It's one time! Why are you not waking up? I'm gonna ask the time. It's one time! It's one time! It's one time! Ouch. Fly, 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 fly. No. Whatever. Hi, Eagle. Daddy. They're best friends.
Your ostrich and your gorilla with your bald eagle.
Turtle with a snake.
Turtle with a snake? That seems reasonable.
Dad, why do you keep saying reasonable?
Reasonable.
What does that mean?
It means it's... how would you describe that? It's a good idea.
Snake. Silly. No, I'm making them into a burrito to put them away.